Welcome to Magic Horizons. In these video instructions, we will show you how to put the VR glasses on other people ready to play. If you want to demonstrate the VR glasses to other people, do the following. Turn on the VR glasses and press and hold the Home button to center them. Make sure that you're looking in the same direction as the other person when centering the VR glasses with the Home button. The other person will then also be looking in the front direction. Keep the VR glasses at a distance from your face. This will save you having to clean them afterwards when you hand them over. Then start the application you want to show. Our trailer, with a running time of 3 minutes, is particularly useful for trade fairs and presentations. You can start the trailer by pressing the Magic Horizons logo at the top of the main menu. You can also do the same for single applications. To do this, select a single application. Optionally, you can select a special audio mix by pressing the button again while the application is already running. For example, for nature applications, you can select only the audio track with nature sounds. The interactive exercises can also be started in this way on the Premium mobile. Once the selected application is running, put the VR glasses on the other person from front to back. On the Easy mobile, open the Velcro fasteners on the side and tighten them again for the best fit if necessary. On the Premium mobile, loosen the bracket with the rear screw and fold it up. Put the VR glasses on the other person from front to back. After putting them on, fold down the bracket and tighten the rear screw again for the best fit. If the person is wearing distance glasses and they fit under the VR glasses, they should be kept on to see sharper. Ask the person to push the VR glasses slightly up and down with both hands in order to see as sharp as possible. Then connect a pair of headphones if necessary. Pay attention to a moderate volume. On the Easy mobile, you can adjust the volume on the right side of the controller and also on the bottom of both VR glasses. Proceed as follows to remove the VR glasses, especially if you wear distance glasses underneath. If you were using headphones, take them off first. With the Easy mobile, pull the rear battery pack up over your head. Then take off the VR glasses straight forward. With the Premium mobile, first open the bracket with the rear screw. Then fold up the bracket and remove the VR glasses straight forward. The playlists have a special feature. Select a playlist with the controller. It will not start automatically, but will first show a play symbol. Put the VR glasses on the other person. Ask the person to look at the play symbol for at least 2 seconds. A green circle closes and the playlist will start playing. If the person is not able to start the playlist by gazing, you can start the playlist for them by pressing the trigger button on the controller with your index finger. If the person wants to see another application, you can change one application at a time by pressing the trigger button. Thank you, your Magic Horizons team.